Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to my channel again. I'm sorry I keep making so many videos right now. Well, this is my last video of the night. I'll be making another one like tomorrow maybe, I don't know. So this is how to make a Lego white Kylo Ren. So everyone knows all the Sith Lords are mostly black. So I'm gonna make a white version of Lego Kylo Ren. Okay, so here are all the pieces you're going to need. So you're going to need a Dark Trooper armor from the Lego Mandalorian, Kylo Ren's lightsaber, his lightsaber hilt, red cape, white cape, his face, his like cracked helmet, an Avengers Endgame version of like just a white Avengers Endgame like suit when they time traveled, and this white hair from like Raidenheart. It's like a white version of Kylo Ren's hair. So okay, so let's get building. Okay, so this is the first piece you're gonna need. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Get the white cape, put that on. Oh God. Put the oh no. I need a one piece. Okay, this right here. Then put the red cape over. Just like Moff Gideon, we're gonna have a dual, like a multicolored, multicolored cape, just so he looks a little bit cooler, just so it's not all white like Vision, which that Vision looks a little bit like crap. I'm sorry, but he's blue, but he's yellow. Okay, there we go. We have our cape. See, red on the front, red on the back, white in the front. There we go. So get your Dark Trooper armor, then put it over him. It's gonna be a little bit hard, so just make sure you press that down a lot until don't break it. Okay, there we go. There you have the cape with the Dark Trooper armor, just to make it a little extra secure so it can't move around that much. Okay, so then get Kylo Ren's head. It doesn't have to be screaming on. It doesn't have to be like upset screaming-ish. So then, there you go. Then get his helmet like that. Then let's make his lightsaber. Okay. Then there you go. Just get his original hilt and just his lightsaber. Just to make sure, you can one of my best ways to upgrade his lightsaber is to draw a Sharpie to make it look like they're all coming out of like three different places, not just one, because Lego doesn't make that great of designs. Okay, so there you go. Clip this on his hand. Oh no. Just like this. Easy. And then the other style is him with his hair. White hair. You can use black if you want, but I prefer to use white to match with his armor. See? So there you go. Oh, well, either way. Yeah, I used a cracked helmet because it matches with the red on his armor. So there we go. Thanks everybody for watching. I'm going to be making another video tomorrow. So stay tuned. Hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell to keep yourself notified for when I make another video. Peace.